Hi, this is How To and What's New with Bill, Spend and Expense. Today I'm going to show you how to dispute a transaction. On the mobile app, tap Transactions at the bottom of your screen. If you don't see it, it's on your More menu. Select the transaction you need to dispute. Tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Dispute Transaction. Choose whether the dispute is due to a discrepancy or because of fraudulent activity. Enter the reason for your dispute and follow the prompts to provide any extra details. Tap Submit to send your dispute for review. On the web, click Transactions Pending and Cleared in your left navigation menu. Click on the transaction you want to dispute to open its details. Click the three-dot menu in the top right of the transaction window. Select Dispute Transaction. Provide the requested information about the charge and click Submit. Information about your disputed transactions can be found on the transaction table. A status tag will let you know that it is in process of being disputed. The process can take 30 to 120 days. When a decision is made, the tag will change to Dispute Won or Dispute Lost. That's all for now. Reach out to the Bill support team or visit our help center for more.